Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm going to talk about two launches that are happening soon, end of the month, May, and also one of the airdrop campaigns that I'm a partner of the project as well. So the first one I'm going to talk about in terms of project is Clashub. Clashub is like a multi-network NFT platform. So it has an NFT based, on-chain card game, and you can go to play.clashhub.io and basically learn more about how you want to play the game, and if you want to, test it as well. They have verified collections like Azuki, Elementals, Pixelmon, and many others, which are pretty strong collections, and you can also purchase them in their partner, which is NF Trade, which is the marketplace. Now, the economy is built, as I said, based on the Clash token, and the utility that they've got is basically purchasing the game market and rewards that's made with Clash, and the inflationary price is gonna be reduced based on that. This is the trailer. I'm not gonna show the entire thing, but basically, as I said, it's like a marketplace. They have basically IP of all these NFTs, and then these NFTs become like a battle cards, which you can play in different games. Like Cool Cats become a card. It has its own power and everything, and then you can fight with others. So first cross IP NFT card game, as you can see. And yeah, so that's the utility, how to play it. You need to read the white paper, of course, but basically, to play it, you need a simple action plan that you must own at least 3 NFTs from the approved connections. Let's say CryptoKongs, Cool Cats, and I don't know what's this one. And then once you register yourself, it helps you connect the website and connect your BNB wallet to become a player. And if you're going to play any paid game modes, you must have enough Clash tokens in the wallet that you're going to use. And if you want the NFT to be part of the Clash Hub, you can also apply as a NFT collection owner if you've made one, and they will assess and see if it's making sense. The team is quite experienced in the Web3 and NFT space. I'm not gonna go through it. Turkish team, basically, you can check them out on LinkedIn. And the advisors also from mostly Turkey, who have worked with previous Web3 and gaming projects. Backers and partners, they've got Magic Eden, Spores Network as a launchpad, SpinTop as a pad, CyberKong's NFT collections, Alpha Beans, Aplis, Cool Cats NFT collections, Kaiju NFT collection. Then they got they got as well. They got Moonbirds as well as a collection. They've got NFT Trade as the NFT marketplace, and yeah, basically these ones. And of course, Binance Smart Chain as a chain that supports them. Now, in terms of the tokenomics, the Clashub total supply is 900 million tokens. Circulating supply is gonna be just under 10%. Initial market cap is only gonna be 160,000. Diluted market cap or FDV at TG is gonna be 4.5 mil. Seed investment round is 10% TGE, 10 months cliff, and then release per month after that, 10%. Private sales similar with a 9 months cliff and then 10% release. KOL round is same as public, 15% TG, 1 month cliff, 20% release per month. And the initial liquidity on the exchanges. So as I said, the vesting is pretty good for public and KOLs compared to private, because they will get everything out while these guys only get 10% on TG. Sex listing is gonna have most of it unlock on TG. Team has a 12 months cliff. Advisors have 12 months cliff. R&D 3 months cliff, and the airdrop is 5% per month. This is looks a bit complicated, but this is basically the flow chart. Remember, they also have an airdrop giveaway. I posted it on my Twitter, so twitter.com/amit90, and I had 10 winners of the airdrop. So if you were one of the winners, you're gonna get a airdrop as well. Now, in terms of their socials, they've got 31,000 followers. Could improve a little bit. They have quite a good engagement on Discord and Telegram as well. And they sold out most of their IDOs on Spores Network and SpinTop, and their listing is gonna be on the 29th of May, so in 3-4 days from now. Stay tuned for that. Now, their sale also ended on Spores Network. And as I said, the initial market cap is quite low. And if you need more detail, I'm gonna put it on the Launchpad on the website of my YouTube. Now, so that was about the Clashub. The next project I want to talk about is an AI project. It's called Skillful AI. So they have been around for a few months. They're accessible ecosystem for Web3. You can watch this video if you want to learn more, but again, I'm gonna sort of skip it. Um, so they're basically they're pretty much taking the AI concepts from different products, putting it together, and bundling it up to see what you can use. So they are, if you go to their website, they are sort of making a combination of other AI projects. Yeah, so that's why it's called Skillful AI. I don't like the website so much, to be honest. It's a platform that's basically giving individuals the personalized AI using the dynamic function that you can use other AI products. So they have modular AI assistant, AI tools, and AI marketplace that they've got. The product you can test as well. So these are the accessibility and user experience that they've got. Um, as I said, you can combine them and use it as an AI suite, AI creator, AI wallet, branded AI. The token is basically the utility function, which I'm going to talk about a bit later. And the tech that I said, they have personalized models, training models that you can train. And then they've got AI providers, Skillful, OpenAI, Stability, and others. And then that gives you like a customized interface for use case if you want to be a KOL and use AI, or if you want to be a business to use AI. And then that's part of the roadmap as well to basically make that further and further. The core team also worked previously in energy companies, and he's a master's in digital currencies. And well, I'm Techfanatic. You shouldn't put that there. And then the CTO is ex-Apple machine learning engineer and R&D for other projects as well. So they have some well-known people in the team, advisors. They've got people from director of Kraken in MENA. They've got ex-Midas, which is a Saxo bank. They've got founder of Gritnova. They've got I don't know who is this guy, and Meta Radar as well. So they've got some decent ones and backers. They've got Hella Chain, and I don't know the other ones. So that's the AI agent that they have developed. In terms of the solution, in terms of the tokenomics, I go to Ordify. They have a good summary for the projects they're launching when you go to the Launchpad section. So this is their project. As I said, AI interaction. Token on Ethereum, 1 billion token, valuation 25 million, initial market cap 420, total raise 3.65 mil, circulating supply 1% initially. I already talked about that. In terms of the vesting schedule, Angel gets 8%, Seed gets 4%, Private 5%, then 6 months lock, 3 months lock. Strategy gets 5%, 6 months lock, early KOs get 10% TGE. 3 months lock, 9 months linear vesting, pre-launch 8% TG, 1 month lock, 9 months linear vesting. Public gets 10%, and then 9 months linear vesting. I don't know what's this NDA deal, but basically the same. And strategic KOLs get 10%, 3 months cliff, 9 months linear vesting. So that's also the difference between them. KOLs getting a little bit of a shorter, longer vesting than public. As I said, token price will be at valuation of 25 million at 2.5 cents. And the token will be on sale on the min tier required intent tier for Ordify Launchpad as a public round. It starts on May 28th, so you still have time to stake if you want some Ordify token or Ordi token, and then after you stake, you can get qualified to participate in the IDO, and they have a 7 days refund policy for it. So that's pretty good. In terms of the socials, they've got 44,000 users, 700 online on the weekend, and they've got a pretty active Twitter engagement following as well. So I think it could do okay. And they are doing Seedify as well as Ordify as launchpads. It's gonna list on 29th as well on gate.io as a listing partner or as an exchange. So that was about the two projects that I wanted to discuss regarding IDO and listing that is coming end of May. And then the final one is an airdrop about a project called Lingo. Lingo is a gamified real world asset power token for next billion users on Web3, building on Base and Solana. Um, they've got a really strong social, as you can see. They've got already 325,000 people following them on Twitter, and they've got really huge engagement. Now, I'm not gonna review the project itself, uh, but as I said, I don't wanna review the project itself now because the launch is not happening now. Um, but I'm gonna talk about the airdrop campaign that they've got, and because it's a lot of detail, I'm sharing actually the instructions. So basically, they are trying to do the social fi that's similar to the portal airdrop that they have, portal coin. Lingo is gonna do a similar one, and as I said, the project is built by big founders from Consensus, Binance, Booking.com. They've got big VCs involved and investors that are quite big and many users on waiting lists. The farming tutorial for the airdrop is basically by if you want to do the airdrop strategy, you go to the APROC first. So as first thing is you go to this lingoislands.com, which is really cool, by the way. You go to the APROC. This is the first thing. You go to the explore, and then when you explore, you need to connect your X. And why do I need to put username and password? Anyway, if it doesn't work or I forgot my password, I'll just read off. Because I did forget my password, but ah, well, okay. Maybe I didn't forget my password. Um, so connected, and then I have to follow Lingo Coin, which I am following. So yeah, I am following already, but okay. And then I put my email address. This is not my Techfanatic, it's my personal one. So just check. To connect to Twitter, click verify my email. Uh, uh, uh. Yep. Just one feedback maybe is they should make this color a bit better because I couldn't even read it, the UX thing. So then you go quickly to your email and verify your Lingo Island APROC. Great. I verified myself. So I guess now I can claim the boarding pass. Okay, great. I have unlocked 3 islands. Amazing. So that was the first step. After this, you will automatically get whitelisted for the public pre-sale. Um, Pre-public sale, sorry. So automatically I'll get a pre-public sale, and then the first step to get it guaranteed is to claim their business class. So the next step is go to the Huddle Haven. Let's see. I like this UI, by the way. Anyway, so this one was done, the April. I don't want to hear the music. Now the next one is in the Huddle Haven. And when you go to this one, you have a code. You have to share it with 10 people, 10 participants. I'm not gonna do it right now because obviously it takes time to refer 10 people. I'm gonna put the link though in the YouTube so you can also join. So copy the link, invite friends, check progress on the page. Benefits is guaranteed airdrop, special price on token sale, giveaway airdrop booster. Now, then there is the next one that you could go and do the farming event. So Degen Island to farm. You could go back to islands. I think the Degen Island, yeah. So next one is Degen Island, which you could go here and get different levels. So farm air miles, like tweet comments, spin the wheel, collect all 6 ones to unlock the super rare mythical. 40% of airdrop is for the mythical holders. You connect your Discord, spin the wheel, and then you'll get like the required air miles to spin. So you basically do social activities, and by doing social activities, you'll get tickets, and then you do the raffle, and you'll get as I said here, you'll get daily miles, and the miles are used to get cars, and then they get the mythical one. And then back to the islands. The best one is the mythical tier, obviously. This is locked, and this is the Whale Island, obviously, for like, I guess, whale investors, or the one that they have the higher user invites, basically. I guess, okay, like the top KOLs and things like that. Back to what I was saying, the highest tier for the NFTs get airdrop, private sale, and 5-star hotel stays. The more you invite, the better. So that's pretty much how it works. And I really like the UX and UI for this. And I definitely suggest you to try. Even if you don't get everyone, you're probably easily getting 10 people. So at least you get some airdrops, and also you'll get some pre-sale opportunity. It's a big project, pretty hyped. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put a comment in the description and I'll make sure to answer you. I hope you have a great weekend so far and wish you the best of start for the next week. Thank you and goodbye.